Does your organization have a number of spreadsheets, or maybe one big spreadsheet that everybody uses, everybody's always looking at, but nobody really understands? You can't really extract the data insights from it. You don't understand the information that it's trying to convey. Or maybe you've been presented with a spreadsheet that you've never seen before, and you'd like to start understanding it. You'd like to start looking at the data presented within it in a way that helps you grasp the concepts of what it's actually doing. Well, in this video, we're going to take a look at a built-in Copilot 365 agent called the Analyst Agent. We're going to use that agent in order to take a spreadsheet and start understanding the data within that spreadsheet with a lot more depth. My name's Frank, and welcome to the channel. Here on this channel, we look at how we can use technology with intention for learning and teaching and being more productive. And this video is part of a series of Copilot 365 videos where I'm going to show you some of the built-in agents in Copilot 365 and how they can fit into a workflow. We just finished a video on the researcher agent. I'll link to it at the end of this video and down below. And we're going to go through all of the different agents as part of a workflow solution that allow us to be more productive by using tools that we already have available to us in Copilot 365. My background involves teaching data engineering, so I've seen a lot of different data problems over the years. And one of the biggest data problems that still persists is that we have a lot of data locked inside Excel spreadsheets, which we give to a lot of people that do not have the term data analyst in their job description. But yet they're responsible for making decisions that the data could help support if only they had a faster way of understanding the data that's right there in front of them, the data inside an Excel spreadsheet. So let's take a look at the Analyst Agent and how that can be used with data to help us get a better understanding of what we're dealing with when we have an Excel spreadsheet. Contains a lot of numbers, a lot of rows, a lot of columns, but what does it actually tell us? Here I am in Copilot 365. I have a chat window open, but I don't really want to use the chat in order to look at data within a spreadsheet. I want to use a specialized agent, but I also don't want to have to build an agent, so I'll use the built-in Analyst Agent. Now, normally the researcher agent and the analyst agent quite often are automatically pinned to the side of your Copilot 365 environment. So if you see it there, great. If you don't see it there for some reason, click on agents and you can search for it. It often appears at the top as well. And when I go into the analyst agent, you can see here that it automatically brings up the analyst agent. Something that I do like to do though is I'll go back to agents and I can go into the about for the Analyst Agent, and it just describes what this agent does and what it works with. So you can see here when it says works across, this means it works across my entire Copilot environment. So it uses the work IQ. We talked about that in a previous video. Effectively, it knows everything about your work environment that you have access to. That's very handy, but it'll go through and talk a little bit about how the app works. So we can see how the app works. You can open it directly from here if you want, and you can copy the link to it. I'll just open it directly from here, and then we're back into the analyst interface. And it's going to ask us, what would you like to analyze today? And when you're first using this particular tool, it's really useful to use some of the suggested prompts here to become familiar with the capabilities of just what this agent can do. We can analyze data, we can get some insights from some data, and we can even visualize some data. That's quite useful. Now, the analyst agent can be used with all types of data, so you can connect up to multiple sources. It's often used with Excel spreadsheets or some data source that I need to get some insight into. Now, in terms of what I'd like to analyze today, if I've recently worked with a document or an Excel spreadsheet, I can put in the /, and recent documents that I've worked with will show up here. I don't have the Excel spreadsheet here, so what I can do is I can click the plus button and I can add work content that I have. I can attach a cloud file or upload images and files. I normally keep all of my documents in my OneDrive. So when I go into my OneDrive here, I can go into, let's say, my files here. I'll go into my Raven Adventures here, my knowledge base, and if I scroll down, you'll see I have the Raven Tour Analytics Excel spreadsheet in there. So now it's going to utilize that and to do its analysis. And I'm going to go in here and I would say, maybe I just want to say something simple like, provide me with some data insights from this spreadsheet. Now I could be more specific. I could say, for example, let me know which tours are underperforming, which ones are performing well. This is a tour company that we have, so I'm going to go in here. I could even talk to it, just have a conversation, say, hey, help me out, blah, blah, blah. Talk to it as if it was a coworker or an intern. And I'm going to go in here, and now it will go through and start doing a deep analysis of that spreadsheet and start pulling data insights. What it's actually doing is writing Python code. And what's really interesting is that I can actually go in after it's finished, and it has complete transparency into what it did, so that I can actually use this either to learn or to modify or to do some work with it. This can take a little bit of time, so I am going to pause the video and we're going to come back once the analysis is done. So that did take a few minutes, not a lot, but it took a few moments, and it started to give me some insights into what this spreadsheet is telling me. Now again, I can go in and I can actually see the steps that it took in order to do this, and it's quite complex. You can see all the Python code in there. That's interesting, but let's look at the insights, because those are interesting too. So it analyzed the notebook, found some strong business insights, found an executive summary of takeaways, looked at, this is good information that really takes me out of the spreadsheet so that I can see what the spreadsheet is actually telling me. So this is a great way. I can go back in and make sure that this is all, truthful and such. It gives me my sources, pretty simple source in this case, because all I did is I asked it to analyze the spreadsheet. I could have said analyze the spreadsheet and include multiple other documents. So I could have said, here's a number of financial statements, synthesize them together, let me know, what they say as a whole. Now remember that the tool I'm going to use to synthesize a lot of research would be my research agent. We talked about that in the last video. Again, I'll link that down below. But in this video, we're looking at more the analyst agent and what it can do with data and such. So you can see that it's often numerically focused. We can look at the summary of revenue by region. Let's have a look at my top 3 growth opportunities for my tour company. So this is something where I can pull the information of what's been happening in my tour company, and I can say, where can I grow? So you can see here, it's multi-day trekking is popular. That's great. It generates more revenue. The opportunity, the demand is strong, relatively full. Things like, and other opportunities in here. Let's find in here. Well, it's giving me just a lot on that. So you can see here as I go through, it's given me some insights in here that I can go through and read. We're not running a tour company. I'm just demonstrating the analyst agent here. But if I was running a tour company, this would be fascinating information. So you can see that I can interact with the analyst, find out information, do maybe the detailed analysis, that multi-day hike, and so on and so forth, in order to have a conversation about my spreadsheet, as opposed to just looking at a wall of numbers and rows and trying to make sense of it all on my own. So that's the analyst agent, a very powerful built-in agent. So the analyst agent is a great way to especially get information and insights out of an Excel spreadsheet. But what if you need to get information into an Excel spreadsheet? Well, that's where our next agent comes in, the Excel agent. And we're going to take a look at that in the next video. If the video is available, I'll put it up here. If it's not quite available yet, you can watch this video instead. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in one of the next videos.